Okay, so the question was asked, how do I put a hyperlink on every single slide that I have and I want it to go back to the first slide in the slideshow or to any particular slide? How do I do that? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I used master slides to duplicate a hyperlink easily um, from the master slide to any new slide that I create. So the way I would do it would be this. You can see I've got a couple examples here. Over here. If you look on the screen here, I used the master slides here for inserting a new slide, and some of these have hyperlinks in them now. So how do they work? Well, watch this. I'll go through it and show it to you. So I'm going to go ahead and do the slideshow from current slide, and I can click through, and this is a hyperlink automatically put on any slide, and it goes back to the first slide or whatever slide I want. And I click down, here's a different one, go to the first slide, it goes back as well. So how do I make use of this then? So if I want to come down, I want to add a new slide and I want that hyperlink to be on it, I go up, Insert, New Slide, and notice these master slides are here. Here's the one with the arrow. Here's one with just the little button. And as soon as I do that, that is automatically put there on my slide, and it will go back. It'll go back to my to my first slide in my slideshow. So I can just draw an arrow here. And now if I play the slideshow from there and I click, it goes back to the first slide. And any of these are all automatically inserted from the master slide. So that's the way that works. I'll go through that procedure for you again. And so I'll create another master slide. And we'll go over to our slide master button here. I say new slide master. And I want to create a new one. So I can look at any of these. Could be defaults that I could use. But let's say I want to start from scratch. I'll click on this one. And now I'm just going to take that off of there. So cut it out, delete it. And so you can create yourself a blank master slide like here. And you can pick any of these. And, you could say, I don't want any of that. You can do Control A. And then hit your delete key on the keyboard to get rid of any of that. And then any of these can be turned into hyperlinking slides in your master slide. So let's pick this one. I'll go up and insert a button again, a shape, put in whatever shape I want, and we'll put this up arrow in there again. And you can put it anywhere on the slide that you want to, make it whatever size you want. And you don't actually have to put text on it. You could type in go to master slide or whatever on that arrow, but you don't have to. Once you've got it there, then you go to your insert option and you go to your hyperlink, and then you want it to go to the first slide on the in your slideshow, and click OK. And so now that's an option. You can pick that for any new slide and it will automatically be there for you. So I'll go ahead and go back under my view options. I'll go back to normal view. And here I am, and I want to put in a new slide on my slideshow. I go to New, and all these options are there for me to put a new slide in. It automatically has an arrow that's a hyperlink that goes back to my first slide. So if I just preview this, go to slideshow from current slide, I click on it, and it takes me to the first slide of my slideshow. So that way you don't have to keep creating a new hyperlink on whatever slide you want to go back to your first slide in your slideshow.